Welcome back, everyone. Now let's make some banana bread with a crunchy crumble topping. That's totally better than even Starbucks. Alright, so we have our bananas that are super ripe, therefore super perfect for banana bread. We de-skin, bag and freeze. Now once we're ready to make our banana bread, we take them out and we defrost them and we smash them up really good. Comment below if you also believe that frozen bananas make a better banana bread. Alright, so once they smash up good, we measure out 1 cup of banana, and to that we add some brown sugar and we whisk this really good to dissolve the sugar crystals. Next, we work on our eggs. We're going to go ahead and just whisk our eggs separately before incorporating them. That way, it's much easier for us to mix it into the batter. After we add our eggs, we whisk really good. Then we add our Greek yogurt, and I have to go ahead and just lick off this lid. I always did that when I was a child, and I still do it. We add our yogurt for taste, for moisture, for an awesome texture. Yes. Now it's time to add our vanilla for that nice, warm, homely feeling. Some vegetable oil, which is only 1/3 cup, and we slowly drizzle this in. And then we're gonna put this aside, and in a new bowl, a separate bowl, we're gonna mix our dry ingredients, starting with our all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, a little salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and then we just whisk that together. Then we add our toasted almonds. We toasted some almonds, yeah. Who doesn't like a little nuts in your banana bread? And then we make a little hole, a little well, and we pour in half of the batter or the liquid. Mix that, start to mix it, gentle fold it in, and then we add in the next half. And this smells so good when everything starts to come together. And we're going to place it in our greased and waxed lined baking tin. Look how magnificent that is. Oh yeah, and for the crunchy crumble topping, ensure you make this topping before you start your banana bread. Add some flour, brown sugar, some almond, some cinnamon. Mix that together. This comes together really easy, and we grate in some butter or margarine, just a little bit, and we just knead that gently together until it looks like this, and boom bam, your topping is ready. This really elevates your banana bread. It takes it to the other level. Okay, so we're going to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, or until a toothpick or paring knife comes out clean, and we cool this for at least 20 minutes before we try to take it out of the pan, because we are not Superman. We do not want to burn ourselves. No, we let it cool for 1 hour before cutting into it, and your house is going to smell so amazing. Can you smell it? Can you smell it through the screen? Look at that crunchy crumble topping. This taste is so better than Starbucks, and it can be made at your home. Not oily, not too sweet, perfect level of spice, man. Thank you for watching.